What are you doing May 28th, 29th, and 30th, 2021? If you're a presenter, Toastmaster in the Bunbury, Australia area, you simply must join us. Why? It's the D17 District 17 Toastmasters Conference. Hi, my name is Darren LaCroix, and in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants to become the world champion of public speaking. And I was invited to be your keynote speaker for the 2021 Spring Conference. Why join us? If you want to have fun, meet new friends, reconnect with old friends, and walk away with insights from my coaches that took me decades to figure out. I'm going to cover Own the Stage. Anyone can take the stage, but why do few people own it? And what do they do differently? In this session, you'll walk away with a checklist of 3 secrets, some do's and don'ts that makes the difference between taking the stage and owning it. Want more laughs? In your next presentation, you're gonna love Humor 101. Some of the comedy secrets that I learned back in the 90s that I've turned into little nuggets for you to help you get more laughs in your next presentation. And what? This is easy for you? Well, learn about my journey from chump to champ. What did I learn along the way from my mentors that'll give you a head start, a jump start, and a fresh start on your own journey? Join us for the District 17 Conference in Bunbury, May 2021. Register now. We'll see you there.